Welcome back to Mix Daily Top 10. You're here with me, DJ Jerick and VJ.
Mary.
Oh, now we're down to the last two part of our Daily Top 10, especially Gangnam Style. What do you say about Gangnam Style, Mary?
The most popular music in Korea.
Yeah, it is popularized by Psy. And let's watch Gangnam Style by Psy at number 2. And that was Gangnam Style by Psy at number 2. Mary, we'll do the pleasure of a quick recap. Can
Let's take a quick recap from Daily Top 10 down to number 2.
And that was a quick recap of Daily Top 10 down to Top 10 to number 2. Now, let's read the final and second batch of our messages. Coming from Christian J. Quijano Ponce of San Pedro, Laguna. Hi, VJ Mary. Ang galing mo talaga mag-VJ sa Daily Top 10. Keep up the good work and take care always. Okay?
Halagay din dito. Hi, DJ Jerick. Ang galing-galing mo. God bless. We love you.
Wow. What a thoughtful message from our fans. Now, let's take the final and the top one of our Mixed Daily Top 10. We Are Never Ever Getting Back Together by Taylor Swift at number 1. And that was We Are Never Ever Getting Back Together by Taylor Swift at number 1. Coming from place number 6 down to number 3 and now December 22, 2012, number 1. Kasi po, si DJ Mary po talaga, kaninang-kanina pong gustong kumanta. Nahihiya lang po talaga sa harap ng camera. Mary?
No, PT Mary!
Okay. Ganyan na nga po. See you tomorrow na lang po, guys. Tapos, kung gusto nyo pong bumoto, key into your cellphone, mix space, title of the song, and send to 2366 or email us at mix.abscbn.news.com. See you tomorrow.
God bless. Bye.
Bye.